3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of obtaining and activating the key for Delta Executor on your iPhone or iPad. This straightforward step-by-step tutorial will show you how to unlock and run scripts in Roblox effortlessly, entirely on your iOS device. Let's get started. First, launch the Delta Executor app on your iOS device and start any Roblox game. Once the game loads, you'll see the option to receive key. Tap on it, and the key link will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Next, open Safari, paste the link into the address bar, and hit enter. This will take you to the Delta iOS Key System website, where you'll complete a few steps to generate your activation key. On the Delta iOS Key System page, tap Continue, which will redirect you to a new website. Scroll down, select the option labeled Get Website, and then hit Skip. Wait for 10 seconds, and once the timer runs out, tap Get Website again to finalize the first step. After completing the first step, tap Continue to proceed to the next page. Repeat the process, scroll down, hit Get Website, tap Skip, wait another 10 seconds, and then tap Get Website again. With the second step complete, you'll be directed to the final screen. Hit Continue, and you'll receive the key for Delta Executor. Copy the key to your clipboard by selecting the Copy button. Now, relaunch Delta Executor on your device and load any game of your choice. Paste the key into the Enter Key section within the app and press Continue. That's it. You've successfully activated Delta Executor on your iPhone or iPad. You can now enjoy all the incredible features it offers for enhancing your Roblox gameplay. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Skibby Tech, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gaming!